this is what happens when we're playing with cats. Yes, I am still sick.
Ow.
What happened? What? Was that? No. I dropped the hair thing. What? Let me see.
Okay, no vlog. This is getting
No, wait,
hard.
let me see. No, you're gonna be fine. I got one on my
This
hand.
claw literally went in me.
Sarah, I got one right here. You're like, ah.
It's like a
I will still play.
You okay?
I'm very irritated. Very irritated.
I'm not gonna be okay.
Let me see it. It'll be fine. I'm bled a little bit.
It's okay, keep going. He's like, you're okay.
I'm only like 49 seconds into this thing.
And I've already had a serious injury.
58 seconds in the, a minute into this, and we're like, we're already injured.
Well, actually, we're playing this for like an hour.
No, like 10 minutes really. And it said, hey, let's do a vlog. It was the best idea ever. Then Sarah got hurt. You okay? That is a very creepy
I think I need a Band-Aid.
Band-Aid, no,
Especially
you
for
don't.
these.
No, you don't.
Especially for this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, because it really hurts.
Band-Aids don't help if it really hurts.
I can't hold the thingy without having pain because it's
Then
in the
do it
middle
in
of
the
my
other
finger.
hand. Or do you want me to do that and you could do the yeah, let's trade. Sarah's gonna play with the hair thing, show him the hair thing. Sarah, show him the hair thing. Yeah, we're gonna put that on the cat's head and then I'm gonna use this and make him irritated.
I'm gonna get
Yeah.
bad. I'm gonna get a Band-Aid because I don't know.
Where in the world are the Band-Aids? That I don't even know. Where are you going? Yeah, going into mom's room. Kitty, yeah. What?
So I'm gonna go try to. You just play with me. I'm gonna play with.
I don't think they're in the upstairs bathroom or our room. For this moment. Here's a cute video of a cat. Yay. Yay. A cute video of a cat. Eating stuff. Yay. Here's cat doing it. Here's cat. Okay, I honestly don't know how to do this. Oh, wait, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I don't even know where the Band-Aids are.
They're in the supply closet. Where the toilet paper is.
What?
Well, just the top shelf.
Okay.
What's annoying the cat with these little papers?
I don't know. Sarah, can we switch? I have honestly no idea how to do this.
Just paw at him.
What?
Just like hit him.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. Like, except
Hold on, wait. I need to hold the camera with my other hand. Hold on. Okay. I'm used to holding the camera with my right hand and doing other stuff with my left hand. Okay, ready? It's my phone, by the way.
just annoy him, basically.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Great job.
No, he tried
Distracted.
scratching me on this finger. Oh my
So
God. Oh
distracted.
my God, am I like this?
Come on, so
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, this finger.
I got like 10 million of those scratches. Just
Rob.
annoy him. Just call at him. I use paper toward not.
Oh, we're playing basketball. No, wait, that's not basketball. It's baseball. Baseball, I'm sorry. Yeah, cute cat.
No, give it back. Distract him. Bring him over here, like paw at his feet and stuff. He hates that. And his belly.
Okay, here we go. No, he got the paper.
Get it?
Yeah, no, he doesn't like me.
He
doesn't like me.
paper.
I'm pretty sure he won't like me
The
after
cat
this.
doesn't like paper.
He will not like me after this. Oh, hey, Mom.
I found the Band-Aids.
She got scratched. It's not a very serious scratch, but
Both of you, go get socks right now.
Of course, I always fall down. Getting up off a couch, I fall down. Trying to get up, I fall down. Yeah. And that comes in. Hey, Millie. Say what you like. Hey, Millie. Like it?
He's like, so proud of this tape on him. He's like, no.
Millie's like the nice cat. She'll let you pet her. Yuki. Now I have to go get socks on. Because right now, this is our messy room. Yeah, it will get that messy. We do not have a Furby, so the stuff in here is not ours. And I was charging my phone since last night, and guess what? It didn't charge at all, meaning it ran out of battery. Even though I plugged it in to a USB cord right here. USB cord. It didn't even charge. I even slept right here. Yeah, I normally sleep at the bottom of my bed over there. Yeah. Man, am I tired. Well, again, that's gonna do it for this video. Subscribe to Taylor Makes Videos and Sarah Kitten, and leave a like, comment, strawberry. Bye. And the next person you see, give them kisses. Kisses.